How to allow tags only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow tags only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram and now click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings and now click this one privacy and then click tags. And as you see here, you will find it. Here you will find allow tags from people you follow. Select it and then click allow. And now just go back. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And see you in the next video.